Don't do it. The frequency, the energy is not conducive to whatever the fuck is in this cup. Okay? We ain't taking no drinks in the cup. In the cup, ain't no cup.
Yeah, I was just one. I don't know. I guess I was just wondering a little bit about what they're talking about when they're talking about this criminalizing marijuana. I don't know. I was looking at it a little bit, but it's just like, I don't know. What is that for and why right now? You know? It's like for like the amount of people, I guess, that will be locked up because of something like that. You would just imagine how much more valuable some people like that would have been, like, out and free, or either just even with the, like, as much as I guess it costs per person when someone goes to prison. You know, you would think that they would have a better way to resolve something like that. And I was just thinking about that. I was thinking about, like, how many people in there, like, for a really long time because of some small amount of marijuana or something like that. And then, I don't know, I guess it was just making me think about, like, the streets or whatever. Like, the streets ain't safe. Like, if this is where all the men, like, you don't hear really much about military. Well, I don't even know if we still have a motherfucking military. I'm just asking because it's just like, I haven't seen no servicemen, like, and usually I can tell, you know what I'm saying? Or usually, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it's just weird. I was thinking, like, even like, you know, if the streets aren't safe, like, I don't know, I just feel like if people could train, like, even if somebody was in jail for like a year or something like this, or 2 years, like, if they could get some kind of training, like, about, like, that really matters when it comes to, like, running a community or something, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just be thinking some crazy stuff sometimes, I guess. Hold on, this bitch got my glasses. Is that my glasses? Okay, no, maybe not. Oh, but that looks like a pen. Oh, no, we don't want to do that, bud. Hold on 1 second.
Are you acting blind?
Hold on 1 second.
I'm
doing a video. I know, but I thought that she had it, though.